Hi, in front of me is tablet DELL Rugged 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on System on the left. Following that, scroll down just a bit and tap on Storage. Then you can click on Show More Categories and click on the best one for you to check it out, or simply tap on Temporary Files. Then select all of those files that you wish to remove or leave. And when you finished, click on Remove Files next to Refresh. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!